that which was hidden from them of their shame, private parts, became manifest to them, and they began to stick together the leaves of paradise over themselves, in order to cover their shame. Their Lord called out to them, saying, Did I not forbid you that tree and tell you, verily Satan is an open enemy unto you? They said, Our Lord, we have wronged ourselves. If you forgive us not, and bestow not upon us your mercy, we shall certainly be of the losers. Allah said, Get down one of you an enemy to the other, i.e. Adam, Eve, and Satan, etc. One earth will be a dwelling place for you and an enjoyment. For a time, he said, therein you shall live, and therein you shall die, and from it you shall be brought out, resurrected. Chapter 7, 11-25 Quran. We imagine when Allah the Almighty decided to create Adam, He addressed His angels and told them to prostrate before Him. He did not mean to ask their opinion or take their advice, for He is above that. Allah the Exalted told them that He was going to create a vicegerent on the earth who would have children and grandchildren who would corrupt the earth and shed each other's blood. That is why the angels said to Allah the Almighty, Will you place therein those who will make a mischief therein and shed blood? Chapter 2:30 Quran. There are old traditions about